Muchangwa admits leaked dossiers exposes Mnangagwa. Nizadabina mashoko budapangwa ire Iwa Muchangwa Chunkonzi is brushing off leaked dossiers. Says party focused on delivering prosperity into the subscribe or like out on the bed. Contibila Manoz Remodanyo Jinsen. ZANUPF spokesperson Christopher Muchangwa has dismissed a series of leaked dossiers, calling them routine attempts to destabilize the ruling party ahead of 2027 to 28 Congress, insisting that President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the Politburo remain focused on economic development and internal democracy. Opening the press conference, the party spokesperson said there would always be dossiers aimed at focusing or distracting the party. We have seen them for over 45 years, he said. They come and go, and when they reach the Politburo, we simply put them aside and focus on delivering prosperity to the people of Zimbabwe. He said the president had long been aware of the latest dossier, mentioning them by name including Gold Mafia, as he said that party structures and African allies had been informed. The spokesperson stressed that leadership changes are decided at Congress and not through leaked documents or manipulation. Some people may be impatient, he said, but ZANU-PF will hold its Congress in 2027/28 to determine the party's future direction. Leadership contests are decided democratically, not by ambush. He said President Mnangagwa remains committed to constitutional limits. He says, I believe in 2 terms. When my day comes, I go, the spokesperson added. Mnangagwa's economic achievements. Moving to the president's records, the spokesperson listed economic achievements. Throughout the briefing, the spokesperson repeatedly described the ZANU-PF as a mass-based democratic party born out of the liberation struggle. He said its structures safeguard the integrity of democratic, choice-based leadership selection and are not for sale. No one can buy their way into ZANU-PF leadership, he stressed. Ndio mashoko anobuda panapa aitaugwa na Chris Muchangwa in his presser yesterday. Tuze mafunguro enyu mori kudipa msoro pichitiko ichi. Wapina comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like. Watch it on the bell icon.